What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker review. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. And by the title, you already know what we're here talking about. The 10th edition of the li-ning Way of Wade partnership. We have the 10th edition, which is really dope. So congratulations to Way of Wade and li-ning. And I want to thank them very much for sending me these shoes to talk about, because these are fire. Of course, in front of you, we have the box. We got Dwayne Wade on the cover, or on one side. On the other side, you have 10 for the 10th edition of it. I really like this shoe. I like the design, and the box is pretty fire too. Pretty much white. You have the red on the inside with the tissue paper there. We do not wear the box, so let me go ahead and just get right into the shoes. And as I said, 10 years in the game, we got the slip resistant traction on the outsole, which is perfect for indoor use. Definitely want to go indoors with these. Very much so a lightweight shoe also. They have a few colorways out there that you might want to check out. This shoe here has a full TPU foam insole. The heel is carbon fiber. Has a really good carbon fiber support, as you guys will see on the outsole. Now the midsole on this Way of Wade 10 is what they call the full length. It's Palm Boom. That's their technology, which is really soft, feels like Boost almost. That's something that's gonna be really dope for a shoe. The technology on this shoe is definitely on point, something you definitely want to try if you have an opportunity to try them on, which is hard because they're not sold in the States. But if you're able to get your hand on at least one or two, try them out and see, because this shoe has some great tech that you might want to go ahead and deal with, especially with that midsole being the Palm Boom and it being like Boost, which means this shoe will be very bouncy for those of you guys who want some bounce in your step when you're out there on the court. The midsole TPU wrap goes along the whole shoe, as you guys can see right here, and it's very soft, man. It has a lot of give, a lot of cushioning in there. I cannot wait to actually try these on, which you guys will see in this video. Carbon plate, you know what I mean, all around the back is fire. You have the carbon fiber here on the midsole or the outsole. I like the detail. You have this bolt right here for the flash, you know, Dwayne Wade. Here's a look at the medial side. If you're somebody who has heel pain, arch pain, or ball of foot pain, the carbon fiber plate here, based on where it's placed, will really kind of help you and aid you in that. So that's something you want to consider with this shoe too. It does retail for about $220, so it is a little pricey, but the technology in this shoe is great. This whole TPU toe cap, very breathable shoe, very breathable shoe, and like I said before, lightweight. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions on the look of the shoe and the technology. 10 years in the game for Dwayne Wade with li-ning and the Way of Wade brand. That's a fire situation. Detailing on the back panel of the shoe is also fire. As you guys can see, the Wade logo followed by 10 on the back of the right shoe. You have 10 things to make your own way on the back of the left shoe. You can see my hand through here. That's how breathable the mesh is. That's crazy. Just took the lacing out. The lacing system is very different here in the toe box area. Some extra lockdown. Then you have that leather, that double layer to keep your laces in there. Just wanted to take this out to see what it looked like, and then we're gonna go ahead and take out this insole so I can show you guys that. One thing I like about this insole, as I said, I mean, for one, it's very light and it was easy to come out, and then it's also a TPU foam midsole. If you guys did not know, I did say that earlier, but you guys can see the foam, how thick it is right there. Easily came out. You guys can see that strobo on the inside. Kind of has even like a mesh material there, so you guys can see this thing right here is very, very breathable, man. I think this shoe is going to be great. Let me know if you guys decide to hoop in them. We're definitely going to try these on. I just wanted to take this apart real quick and talk about them and show you guys a little bit more detail. But there's the mid side, the strobo, and then you got the carbon fiber plate right there too. Very nice with this shoe. One thing I can say after trying these things on is the grip feels great. They're very lightweight. You do have an issue around the midsole, right, or midfoot. They're a little snug around this area. Around this area of the shoe on both sides, it's a little snug there. So you might want to brace yourself for that. If you're a wide-footed person, that might be an issue for you. Maybe trying going up a half a size or maybe even a full size if it's possible. But it's interesting because I feel it snug around this area, but then I have some space for my toe at the top. Very interesting. I am able to go true to size. I could ball in these. The socks that I wore were pretty thick. But yeah, just want to give you a heads up on that. Try and go half a size up or full size if you are a wide foot. Let me know what you guys think about these overall in the comment section below. There will be a link in the description box if you guys want to pick up a pair of these shoes. Have any questions, go ahead and DM me, or leave a question here in the comment section if you have any questions. And like I said, once again, a link to getting these will be in the description box below. Big shout out to Way of Way, li-ning, Dwayne Wade for sending me these things to do a review for you guys. I'm pleased by them. I could, can't wait to get them on the court if I have opportunity to. But definitely it's a shoe you might want to try out. If you had the opportunity to try them on beforehand, go ahead and do so. But the technology on this shoe is definitely on point. The fit and the lightweightness of it is definitely dope. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces. So briefly, we are here at the gym, about to get these a go run on the treadmill and just see how they feel on feet. Size 13. .99 feet climbed. After going an hour, we got about 560 calories burned. Let's go ahead and talk about the results on these shoes. So after leaving the gym once again, we went for about an hour and a couple minutes. Right, got about 550 calories out of here, but these shoes feel great. All the things that I said I thought I would have an issue with, or what I was speaking of by your foot area, once you run in them, break them in a little bit, that's not even an issue. They still fit like a glove and they still are lightweight. I got a lot of bounce to my step right now. These shoes are dope though, man. After wearing them for an hour, breaking them in, they're very comfortable. This part right here is not the issue. It just feels like that when you first put them on initially, but once you break them in, I don't really have that problem. Keep in mind, my foot is more narrow, so maybe that could be also a reason why it broke in for me. If you have a wide foot, that might be something you still might have to consider. But yeah, let's go ahead and take these off really quick. My feet do not feel too sweaty at all, as a matter of fact. These things are a little snug getting off, but my foot has, there's some moisture, obviously. It's wet, but not as heavy as I did with the other shoes, those Zoom Freaks. This definitely has a lot more ventilation. As you guys can even see the insole through the tongue. Very comfortable shoe, man. Once I broke them in, like I said, I didn't have any problems with the feet. So overall, performance review based on what you guys saw me do in this video, these are excellent. And there's a lot of grip even in this little clay court that was here, or clay ground that's here in the gym. A lot of grip and squeaking on the wood floor that they had here. So these definitely would be a great shoe to try. If I had to give it 1 to 10, man, from what I've seen, this is definitely a 9 or a 10. You gotta have to let me know what you guys think. If you have a wide foot, you might have a slight different feeling because of that area towards the toe. But this shoe is definitely great. Let me know what you guys think about this overall in the comment section below. I'm definitely satisfied with the shoe, and as you guys can see after one wear, the graphic is still on there, you know what I mean? So I'm about to get out of here. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.